DJOTV.
Welcome to DJOTV.
Baba T don't give Wike and Portharcourt people wotowoto, not be small thing. My people, we greet you now. We welcome you now once again to this our channel. Not be small thing, my people. Baba T don't fall out like this, so. The speech wey he give yesterday for Portharcourt and shock people no be small. The way they write am sef, the way him dey talk, and even his voice sef was something else. Oyibo people go talk say he came prepared. E get the point wey dem talk, when he talk reach where about flyover. Baba T no be small thing o. He debut am sharply. He talk say that one no concern am o. He no dey pass or use am. Say na their cross make dem carry am. Anyway, my people, make I not talk too much. Make I play una the video. Make una use una eye and una ear. Take watch this thing by una self. Oh yeah, now make una watch the video.
God. He is indeed a man of great integrity. He did not choose to serve his own interests, not about him. Rather, the interests of the nation. You promoted unity. You promoted fairness. You championed justice. Thank you. There was so much gossip and speculation. But you stood your ground. I find the construction of this flyover and my invitation to this project, to commission this project today, is another way of building bridges. We cannot be overstated the need for Nigeria. It is on the strength of your character that I stand to fulfill the promise I made during the campaign. I'm happy that we are being able to establish a relationship. I will leave Sanwo-Olu to give you back your banter and response. I am the president-elect. Your president. We know. I see what you know, we know. I say you go with again, no. It is a great honor and moment for me. I see all the preparation, the declaration of a public holiday, the banners on poles, the signs all over. I am a very happy man. We have some more remarks to make. Eventually. Seyi Makinde, the governor of Oyo State, let me congratulate you on making a followership and partnership with Wike. the 12th flyover and the demand you made for refund. I owe you nothing. It's your road. You can chuckle me and make a demand. You are the one living on this road. I commend your effort. You have to lobby me to collect. Ism has made people happy, create excitement and development across this state. We have something to look forward to. Nigeria. You and I must discuss that. Not expected in depthness. Thank you very much.
My people, not be small thing. I don't see the video, Abi. Your president-elect, your president. Wahala dey o. We can you dey laugh. What I will call that laugh? This disappointment. I mean, wetin I go call that laugh now. Ew. Anyway, my people, na don see the video. Na you wetin Jagaban talk, Baba T talk. Make una drop una comment how una visit this Wotori, and make una no forget to like and share this video. Make those wey never see am, make dem see am o, make dem know wetin dey happen. Una do well. See you in our next video. Bye.